Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy yogurt. First, gather your simple ingredients: milk, a live yogurt starter, and a thermometer. Begin by heating your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is vital for denaturing proteins, which contributes to a thicker yogurt. Once heated, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is perfect for the starter culture to begin its magic, ensuring a creamy and delicious result. Now, it's time to introduce your starter culture. Gently whisk in about 2 tablespoons of a live yogurt starter into your cooled milk, ensuring it's fully incorporated. This step introduces the beneficial bacteria that will transform your milk into yogurt. Next, pour the inoculated milk into clean jars or an insulated container. Maintain a consistent temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours. This steady warmth allows the bacteria to ferment the milk, creating that wonderful creamy texture. Once your yogurt has incubated, you'll notice a firm, custard-like consistency, signaling it's ready. For an even creamier, thicker yogurt, you can strain it. Simply place the yogurt in a cheesecloth-lined colander over a bowl and let it drain in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours. This process removes excess whey, giving you a richer, Greek-style yogurt. Finally, chill your homemade yogurt in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before enjoying its delightful creaminess. To keep your delicious homemade yogurt fresh, store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your creamy creation will remain fresh and enjoyable for up to 2 weeks. Remember to always use clean utensils when serving to prevent any contamination, which helps extend its shelf life. A clever tip for future batches: save a few tablespoons from your current batch to use as a starter for your next homemade yogurt, making the process even easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.